Avocado oil, the ultimate high-heat cooking solution. Avocado oil stands out as an excellent choice for high-heat cooking due to its incredibly high smoke point, reaching up to 520 degrees Fahrenheit. This high smoke point means avocado oil remains stable at high temperatures, preventing the release of harmful free radicals during cooking. In addition to its stability, avocado oil is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for overall cardiovascular health. Rich in vitamin E, avocado oil provides antioxidant properties that help combat oxidative stress and support a healthy immune system. The mild, buttery flavor of avocado oil enhances the taste of your dishes without overpowering them, making it versatile for various cuisines. Avocado oil is a fantastic source of lutein, a carotenoid that supports eye health, protecting against age-related deterioration. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, contributing to improved joint health and overall wellness. Avocado oil is also beneficial for skin health, as it can be used topically to moisturize and nourish the skin, enhancing its appearance. Choosing avocado oil for high-heat cooking is a smart, health-conscious decision, offering both culinary benefits and nutritional advantages.